Hi, this is my review of Probe, which is the free version of AudioTool. So I selected this resource because in our online school we do have students taking foreign language courses, and it's not always simple for a student to be like in a language lab so they can hear themselves and where the teacher can give them feedback on their pronunciation. The objective would be for the student to be able to record themselves on a free web-based app like this and to be able to send it to the teacher for the teacher to whenever she had time to review it. Our intended audience would be the students and the teachers. The ISTE standards covered are TL5D1, modeled the use of telecommunication tools, and 3A6, support distance learning. Okay, so the student would use this just to make a very simple recording. Now, if you wanted something that had lots of effects, you'd have to purchase the pay version, which is AudioTool. But like I said, this is the free version. So you literally just go to this site, probe.audiotool.com, and this is what comes up. It's very no frills. So let's just say you want to record a file and say I'm the student, I'm learning French, but I'm having difficulty knowing if I'm pronouncing the days of the week right. So my teacher sent me an email and said, just record yourself and I'll tell you what you're doing wrong. Okay, so here's a simple record button. Here I go. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, so it's made the recording, and all you have to do is hit play. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, so that would allow me to, that's made my simple file, and then I'm going to export a simple WAV file. Okay, and then I've saved my recording and I'm ready to email it. And that's very no frills, but there you go.